Hey guys, so today I just did my dry shampoo routine and I'm going to show you how to do quick, easy, beachy curls in less than 10 minutes. So after I do my whole dry shampoo routine, and if you need to see that, I'll link it down below. I just did my dry shampoo, so I'm combing my hair. And this brush is the Wet Brush Flex, so it's got these. This is my favorite brush, and my clients love it. I can't keep it on the shelves. They come in all different colors. Some are harder to come by than others. I still have dry shampoo stuck in my hair. Okay, so I used my dry shampoo. Now I'm going to part my hair, and this is 3-day-old hair, by the way. I'm gonna part my hair. And get all the tangles out. Okay, then the thermal protectant I'm going to be using is the Kenra Platinum Heat Block Spray High Hold Heat Protectant Spray Level 22. I love this stuff. This is amazing. I use it on pretty much everyone in the salon, even if I don't straighten you or curl you. After I'm doing a blowout, I'll go back through the hair and use it just to seal down all the little flyaways and baby hairs that we have. So you spray that on, and you can do individual strands and then curl, but I am in a hurry. So I'm just going to make sure that's all combed through. And then I'm going to take my straightener, and if you can see, I go through and straighten my ends. So I am not doing the whole strand of hair, but I am doing the last third. On some of it I'll do like the last half. Then you do the second half, same way. And this is actually how I'm not going to be parting my hair, but it's okay for right now, because I'm about to put this half back up. So again, you spray. Comb. And straighten. And my hair was curled yesterday and the day before, so it's still gonna have some curl in it. We just want this, whenever you go through hair with a straightener, or even if you curl it first, it's gonna be hard for it to lose that original style. So that's kind of how I use this little trick to give me and my clients beachy waves. Okay, so that is done. There's little hairs everywhere. Okay, so once your ends are straightened, then you're going to come in with your 1-inch curling iron. This is a Hot Shot Tools from Sally's. I recommend this kind to my clients. I use Hot Tools brand also. That's the Hot Shot Tools is the generic version of this curling iron. I always recommend clients get pretty much this kind. You want a silver or gold tip, because then this pretty coatings, like the black coatings, and like I have one that I got for Christmas, it's like a unicorn rainbow coating. It's eventually going to wear off and start chipping so bad it's going to chip off in your hair. So this one is broken. I have a new one. It's just so hard to open that box. So, but this one works. It's just the little springs that kept this thing quiet fell off. So that's going to be the noise you hear. So what you're going to do is take about a little bit bigger than a 1 inch. I mean, this is honestly like a 2-inch section. And I'm gonna come in the hair and prime it first and start curling it a couple, maybe 2 inches away from, oh no, that's about 3 from the scalp. And the reason why you want to curl mids first, and notice my ends are not going in. The reason why you want to curl your ends last is because that's the most fragile piece of your hair. And you want to end that curling iron for the least amount of time. And the reason why I prime it is because it seals all those hairs down around the scalp that you aren't necessarily bringing into the curl. And that kind of get roughed up. I mean, this is 3-day-old hair, so that my hair's not fresh and at its best. But it's going to hold this curl really good. Alrighty, just going around the hair, and about midway in the back, I'm going to switch the direction of how I am holding my iron. So like, when I'm on this side, you want the little clippy on your facing out, and when you're on the other side, same way. So after this curl, I'll switch direction. And my curling iron is set to 350. And honestly, that may be just a little high for how fragile my hair is right now from all the bleach that I've done over the course. I mean, I only had to lighten it again once, and I had Olaplex in my lightener, which we will talk about in another video. But your hair is still fragile whenever you're lifting. I mean, to get this light color, and it may not even look that light on camera, but to get it, I pretty much had to be as white as a piece of paper. Once that is good. And this is a great curl to do, not have to worry about how perfect it is. And I think curls are so much better when you're not perfect. There's a piece that didn't even get curled. Okay. So now I'm going to take Kenra Light Hold Hairspray number 9. This stuff smells like cotton and candy. It is amazing. And I'm very lightly spraying from the mids to the ends of my hair. So like pretty much from here down. I'm just giving a light coating. At the end, I'll give way more. And then you just let down your other layer. Fix your parting. Side parts are going to give more volume, so keep that in mind. And the more you leave out on the ends of the straighten look, the less curl you're going to have, but that more definition. I've done it to where I barely even curled and had pretty much just one curl right here running through my hair and straight ends. You can do this so many different ways. And this does take practice, especially to do on yourself. Not curling those ends first, but your hair will be healthier, it'll grow better. Especially if you style it every day, like I do. And keep in mind, having that thermal protectant in it, it's got hold in it already, So your hair is going to be a little tangly as you are dropping new hair down. That's just part of it. And then on whatever piece that, if you have like, I don't really have bangs, but I have a side part. So you really want to kind of keep that, you don't want it to be flat to your head. So the best way to do that is to be bringing the curl, don't be curling it right next to the, where the hair is going to fall. You want to curl it back so it gives it some volume and it won't lay flat. So you prime, and then you bring it back. And there you go. So then you take your hairspray again. And you want your hair to cool. I usually let my hair cool while I finish getting dressed, and then I take a little bit of hair oil, Cheese Silk Infusion and Joico K-Pack are what I currently use. My hair, I'm trying to not have any oil in my hair because I have oily hair and oily skin. So typically I don't use those on myself. I just run my fingers through it lightly and kind of let it fall as I drive to work, because I live about 20 minutes or 15 minutes away from my job. And then when I get to work, if it needs a little bit of running through, I'll put some oil on it. But when I'm fixing your hair and you're in the salon, and to keep you from leaving the salon with unfinished hair, because this is not finished, these curls need to be ran through, I will put just a drop, I'm talking like the size of a pencil eraser drop, on my hand, rub my hands together, wipe them on a towel, and then run my hands through the bottom half of your hair. So that's something you can do. But for now, I will just run my fingers through my hair. And you just want to break up those curls. And there you go. You can see where the ends are a little straighter. Obviously, I went down a little bit longer on the curl and left very little bit out of the curling iron, but because we straightened them first and set them with the thermal protectant that had the hole in it, it is going to keep those ends straight. And this curl will last pretty much my whole work day, and then it'll be time for a messy bun. So with that, my son is begging to come in and tell me good morning. So I will see you guys later. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button below. See you soon. Bye. Thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like that, hit the... Can y'all please? I'm begging. Tonight or tomorrow. But this is the best drugstore shampoo that I can recommend. This is Beachy, and I really like this. There are several professional brands that I like as well. Kenra is one of them. Papaya is another one. But this is just what I have on hand at home because this is affordable, and I go through, because I only wash my hair twice a day, I go through probably 2 cans a month, if not more. So how you do this is first you want to brush all the oils from your scalp down to your ends, because your ends are really what need it the most.